I'm reviewing the Anua Rice 70 Intensive Moisturizing Milk. This is my rapid review, and stay tuned in for the details afterwards. So, first criteria, packaging, no issues with that. No denatured alcohols, no fragrance, made in good manufacturing location, made in Korea. Very easy to use, good ingredients, good antioxidants. Animal testing, no animal testing here. Very good on the performance side. The price is affordable, and it definitely has the it factor. So I gave it a 10 out of 10. And now for more details, I'm going to go into the full review. So this is the hydrating milk. It's very nice. Okay, so I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Really quick, I'm downstairs. I like to record downstairs in our little studio. Normally we've got the dogs with us, but I have a baby gate to keep Ike from going down the stairs. He's had some issues with his mobility. Last time I went down the stairs, he kind of fell. But you know what? I also fall a lot. And actually, so I'm wearing my Crocs right now. My Crocs, I love them. They're comfortable. They're like slippers to me. And I stopped wearing them out in public because the last time I was wearing them in public, I went to, I think it was either Target or Walmart, and I was walking around fast carrying my basket. And I swear, every time I wear these out in public, I trip and fall. So I have my basket full of stuff. And then I tripped over myself, and the handles on the basket broke, and like every little thing I had in the basket just went flying everywhere. So Crocs are like slippers. They're only to be worn at home. So if I fall, I'm not embarrassed. Oh, cameraman has his Crocs on too. So yeah, I know Crocs aren't the most fashion-forward thing, but they're like slippers to me now. I will never wear them in public again after that humiliating experience. And now, I always take a shopping cart. I never take the little basket with me ever again. I don't know why I used to do that, but I think it would help me not buy as much. But somehow I'd always end up filling it up, and I'm weighing like 100 pounds, and I'm being like, oh my gosh, this is awful. So anyway, okay. Okay, back to the review. So they call this a lightweight moisturizing lotion formulated with rice bran water and niacinamide. I'm hoping niacinamide we can maybe leave in 2024. We'll see. To help enhance skin clarity and balance while brightening dull complexion. Okay, first criteria is packaging. We've got a plastic pump bottle. No issues at all with that. It's actually very efficient packaging for this, so no issues with that. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. There's also no fragrance and no fragrance ingredients, and this literally has like no scent at all, which is lovely for me. I love that. It's made in Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So this is kind of like a lotion moisturizer. You can use it anywhere on your face, hands, body, I guess, if you wanted to. But it's got a really nice lightweight texture that just smooths over skin really nicely. If you're applying this over like a toner or something like that, a little bit of it goes a long way. My hands are a little chewed up. My hairstylist got a dog, or a puppy. And to avoid the puppy from destroying my shoelaces, I let the puppy destroy my hands instead, because I figured those will heal faster than my shoelaces. So she did want to chew on my coat too, which it's a very warm coat. It was actually kind of expensive. So, okay, so yeah, feels really nice on skin, so you can use it morning or evening. I think if you have oilier skin, this might be enough as a moisturizer for you, as opposed to like using another cream or something like that. For my skin, I use this one underneath a thicker moisturizer at night, and then during the daytime, I'll use this over my vitamin C serum, and then go on to my sunscreen after it. So very nice lotion texture. It sets to kind of a natural, slightly radiant finish that is just a little bit tacky, but not terribly so. But yeah, so very nice, and I like the texture of it. It's wonderful. So you can use this all over. You want to use it on your arms or hands or whatever, face, neck. Really like this one for my neck and décolleté area. It feels really nice on that spot there, you know, because in the neck, if you use something too thick, it'll end up pilling during the daytime. And if you use something too thin, then it ends up, you feel kind of dry or itchy. So, yeah, so it feels very nice for that. Okay, beneficial ingredients in here. So we've got rice bran water, which is a hydrating ingredient. We've got niacinamide, skin brightening, anti-acne ingredient. We've got Meadowfoam seed oil, emollient and antioxidant. We've got coconut oil. A lot of people are not going to be very happy about that, so just FYI, there is coconut oil in here, and it's an emollient, but a lot of people don't love coconut oil. However, one entire brand made their entire brand off of coconut oil, and that was Kopari, and now they've got a gazillion other products. But when they first came out, that was it. It was like coconut, this is our thing. the coconut melt. So they made it work for them. So then we've got rice extract, which is a hydrating ingredient. We've got arginine, skin identical ingredient, wound healing. Let's see, we've got adenosine, cell communicating, wound healing, barrier repairing. Then we've got cholesterol, ceramide NP, ceramide EOP, ceramide AS, ceramide NS, and phytosphygnosine. They're all skin identical ingredients. Barrier repairing, they help with the protective outer layer of your skin, help keep it intact. We've got lactobacillus ferment, soothing and hydrating ingredient, squalane, an antioxidant, lactobacillus ferment, hydrating and soothing. Let's see, we've got rice seed protein, which is an antioxidant, hydrolyzed rice protein, hydrating vitamin E, antioxidant. Then we've got ectoin. Ectoin's going to be big in 2025, I'm telling you. Ectoin protecting, soothing, barrier repairing, hydrating. Then we've got sodium hyaluronate, humectant, rice bran oil, emollient, and antioxidant. So really nice list of beneficial ingredients and barrier repairing ingredients and hydrating ingredients. So so a very nice list of ingredients. So I'm curious what people will think about the coconut oil. So leave a comment. I'm very, very curious. Maybe coconut oil is not as demonized as it is. I don't know. Okay, in terms of animal testing, so per Yes Style, Beauty Bay, Amazon, and Anua's U.S. site, they claim they're cruelty-free brand. There was one other site in there where they said they weren't certified by any official cruelty-free organization, but everywhere else is claiming they're cruelty-free, so I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt there. I wonder, does this say anything? It's all in a different language, so so I was a little bit taken aback when I saw it listed. I guess, there's a few official, or like PETA's got one and Leaping Bunny, so I guess they're not been put through there, but all these other sites are saying they are, so I have to assume they are if they claim they are. Unlike a certain other brand that has been claimed to be cruelty-free, but might not have been cruelty-free. Okay. Okay, in terms of performance, so this one's nice. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, it feels nice on skin. I think for spring and summer, this would probably be a do-it-all product. I think you can probably get away with just using this, maybe even as a serum too, for summer and spring. So for me, it works well over my vitamin C serum, and it's been kind of hard to find a good moisturizer that works well with it, but this one seemed to work great for me. For what this product promises to swiftly hydrate and nourish skin with abundant moisture, promoting a glowy complexion and brightening a dull complexion and preventing moisture loss. I would say this delivers on most of those. However, there's really no brightening. I mean, we've got niacinamide in there, but in terms of brightening, there's really no other brightening ingredients in here. So I think that's a little bit of an over-the-top promise. It's not going to brighten your skin. Niacinamide will help, but in terms of really brightening your skin, this isn't going to be a product that I would recommend if you have severe hyperpigmentation or melasma or dark spots. It's not going to hurt it, but it's a little bit over the top, in my opinion. So it's friendly for most skin types with the exception of acne-prone skin. For acne-prone skin, we've got coconut oil, we've got cetyl alcohol, glyceryl stearate, SE, carbomer, sodium isostearate, squalane, vitamin E, palmitic acid, and stearic acid. So 9 acnegenic ingredients is a lot. So if you have very acne-prone skin or even slightly acne-prone skin, just be cautious because you don't want to go through that, So keep that in mind. In terms of the price, it's a bargain though. 5 ounces, 150 milliliters, and retails for $22. And it's a pretty good deal. So after about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer than a month, I'm down to about here on it. So that's pretty good. So if you're using this as a moisturizer, this will probably last you 3-4 months. So yeah, not a bad deal at all. Then in terms of the it factor, very nice lotion, works great as a light moisturizer, very good value for the price. It'll last quite some time. Works well under a hydrating toner to help seal in moisture and things like that. So yeah, so it's a lovely product. And I'm harsh about this brand for a lot of reasons, but it's so hyped, But they do have some really nice stuff, and this line from them. They've got 3 products in it now. This is one of them. I love it. The ceramide rice serum is great, and the toner is great, and this one's nice too. So Yeah, so anyway, I gave it a 10 out of 10. Interested in hearing from you guys. If you have any thoughts on it yet, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.
That's good.